Nasaan? Ito. Hindi ako si tatay!
Hindi, malumulubog ko eh.
Again! Okay! Or circulatory event, after consuming alcohol, after a heavy meal, after a sleep decided, after immediately after exercise.
Bawal na.
Alex, right here.
Ay, huwag na. Makita kayo ng ano, bawal na eh. Bawal ang bata. Below 14 years old, bawal.
Let's go!
Halo, hawakan mo, mainit.
Ako, kaya ko lang paalam.
Iya?
Oo. got me? Now out! Down the river ride, and I modernize the next one.
Gloria ng Stan Marketing. At ang tuwan-tuwa ako kasi sabi niya, wow, Giselle, ang ganda-ganda niyo pala sa personal. Hindi ko siya nasagot na, Ma'am Gloria, kasi po ako babaeng pangit sa TV, pero maganda sa personal. Tama ba? Palakpakan ako, tama. Anyway, kung makikita po ninyo yung sign, our sign here is a handshake. And up there is a stamp of Yek, You, and You. And why did we choose this sign? It's because this night will be all about you. Because without all of you, the partners of YECU, then wala pong YECU at hindi po aabot ng 70 years ang YECU. And that is because of all of you. If not for you, that's why there's a bit of a handshake over here, because that is the business partner of YECU and of course, YECU. And so tonight will be all about you. We will have great food from the chef, Mr. Simeon Tan.
support in our valued customers from Manila in Luzon Island. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 70th anniversary celebration of ECU Merchandising Incorporated. The names of ECU is mentioned to the older person in the market. They always call ECU the sole merchant. In some average person or older person, they would say that ECU is selling the home pumps. In a middle-aged person, where said ECU is supplier of electrical products. In some younger person, they consider ECU nowadays as a high-tech electronic mechanical supplier. Through long years in the market, ECU merchandising is truly unique in many ways. We are now in the electronic and digital age. Everything is changing. You will take you, and I thank you in wishing you a Chinese Happy New Year. Cheers! Cheers. Then, with my good wishes, a good health and happiness, thank you again.
Be the ginseng answer. Okay. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we have a lot of VIPs that I've heard flew from Paris, from Japan, from Korea, from Thailand, just to come here tonight and to recognize all our VIPs that flew all over the world, and of course, who are all.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my pleasure tonight to introduce our VIPs. We have Mr. Kazuyasu Oketa, also from Siam Show. We have Mr. Victor Yun from Annam the Grand Coup.
I have many friends. Yeah, down there. I'm very happy.
This is definitely the best one. Why? Because we are here to celebrate and to pay a tribute to the 70 years of...
Can you ask attention, you mayaman. May tiger ba? Mayaman nga ito. Halika, sir. Ayan. Ano na? Masakit na si likod mo, kaya naglagay ka tiger ba? Okay lang yan, sir. Come to mama. Come to mama. Ayan. Mama will breastfeed you. Ayan. Because you know, the VIPs I already gotten them in Cebu. So, it's the partners of YECU this time, the owners of the hardware. Gilbert Yu from Manila. Anong pangalan ng hardware?
Hardware?
Saan ka? Saan ba?
I'm in architecture.
Architect. You're an architect. Yun. My only request, Gilbert, is whenever you're looking at my cleavage, please don't put your hands in your pockets. Ano ba pinuputot mo dyan sa loob? Nandito tayo sa taas. I'm sure that you are the top gun of your architectural company. Ladies and gentlemen, the top gun of GNW. Top is almost gone, huh? But because Gilbert, you smell so good tonight. I will make you answer a million peso question. Kaya, Pilipinas, game ka na ba?
Game na!
Parang hindi kayo nakakain. Nakasarap ang pagkain. Pilipinas, game ka na ba?
Game na!
And the question for Mr. Gilbert Yu is, what kiss does Gilbert want from Miss Giselle Sanchez? Is it A, the Mongolian kiss, B, the Australian kiss, or C, the Filipiniana kiss? Now let me explain further, Gilbert, so that you will understand. The Mongolian kiss is like sipping or drinking. So, baka hindi ba tayo, diba? Kasi medyo masyado siyang malapit. Maplema. Okay, so let's proceed to letter B, which is the Australian kiss. And since Australia ang tama, hindi ako nagpanty para sa'yo ngayon. Pero I don't think you're going to like to do the Australian kiss because you see, kapapangan ko pala. French pa yung tahe. The Chinese Filipinos, ayan. Kaya, kasi ang Filipinian kiss is based on the Spanish kiss, which was the best of best. So because we were conquered and captured by Spain for more than 300 years, so we borrowed and imbibed their culture. So yung best or cheek to cheek. So what would it be for you, Gilbert, the Top Gun man? Is it A, Mongolian kiss, B, Australian kiss, or C, Filipiniana kiss?
My wife's not here, I'm free to do whatever is the best. But first let us show her it's easily without the panty. I do the Australian kiss. My wife is not here.
Sige, Gilbert, pero kailangan dito para tayong aso. Sige, nakakatakot ka naman. Kala ko parang pamaitan na medyo bumigilay-gilay. Madami ka na naman nakin na nag-ginseng yan.
We're so free today. We're so free. I've always been accompanied by my wife 365 days a year.
Salamat mo kung Jolersky ang asawa mo. Okay, alam ko na. I will give you the Filipinian kiss, but I will give you a bonus. Okay? It's going to be, yes, I'm going to kiss you. It's going to be cheek to cheek with tongue. Is that okay with you? Okay, so beso na Maynila. I will do it. Cheek to cheek with tongue. Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Gilbert Yu. And I'm going to so crazy mom, so crazy mom, so crazy mom, so crazy mom, Si Benito, ha? Benito pa, okay. Kasi kung medyo nininervous, paghipo ko ng kamay niya, medyo nanginginig siya ng konti. So, para po hindi kayo nervous, so that you will not be nervous, I will have to subject you to an anxiety relief exercise, okay? So, parang hindi kayo, nilinervous na kayo? Konti. Okay, so, Benito, ibigin mo ang iyong mga mata. Sino parang hindi ka nervous eh? Close your eyes. I will hypnotize you. Close your eyes. Close. I will not do anything to you. Just close your eyes. I will not close. I promise not to steal your wallet. Oh, close your eyes. And imagine that it's just the two of us here at Century Park, Sheraton. So, hypnotize na kita. When you wake up, Benito, you will do everything I will tell you, except transfer all your money into my bank account. Benito, pag tinawag kitang Benito, tatawagin mo akong Giselle. Pag sinabi kong guwapo ka, kahit masama sa loob mo, sasabihin ko, then you have to touch my face na wake up! Benito! Giselle. Yes, I know, because you're awake. I told you to wake up. Benito, you're so handsome.
Thank you.
Akin ka mo. You are grateful.
Benito!
Giselle.
Ang cute naman ang ilong mo.
The same with you.
Benito!
Giselle.
Ang cute naman ang chin mo.
Ang ganda mo.
Benito!
Giselle.
Ang cute naman ang dibdib mo. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Benito's Marshall Town, a true gentleman. Let's give him a round of applause. Thank you very much, Tosha.
Thank you, yeah, you and everybody. Good night.
Thank you very much. Music, please. Thank you very much. Related to Miss Corina Sanchez, although I did look like her when she was younger, pero hindi po, I'm Bisaya, and she's Pampangueño. Although we have the same middle initial and the same family name, ayun, hindi po kami magkapatid. Although inamin po namin, tatay po namin si Mayor Sanchez. So, and me, ganyan, di ba? Kailangan yung medyo, ay, tumayo ka siya. Akala mo naman ikaw kukunin ko. Natakot ka naman, ikaw naman si ano na ito. Ito si Sermo. Ayan, Sermo, what is your name?
I'm Mario Cruel
Mario. And what from what company?
from MC Engineering.
Ayan. So Mario, itong kanta-kanta to, it's really, stand up so that people will see you. Ayan. Pero dyan pala, you don't have to go to the stage. Ganito lang yan. It's really between you and me. How old are you?
I'm 70 years old.
7 years, so strong. And this is your missus? Wow. And how old are you, ma'am? No one wants to know. Oh, yeah. How many years na lang are you married? Too many. Too many. Okay, so can I sing a song for your husband? Okay, so Mario, this song is really for you and me. Music, please. And if you know the song, you sing with me. I'm so young and you're so old. With my darling, out of control. I get just what they say. With my darling, I would pray. flyer ka rin ng Yeki. Ayan, okay. Halika, ano kinukutot mo dyan sa loob ng bulsa mo? Okay, Gilbert. What we're going to do is we're going to dance the cha-cha. Okay? So hands on your waist. Can you find your waist? I cannot find it, huh? Okay, better yet, hands on my waist. Sige na, it's okay. Hands on my waist. Ayan. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to dance a cha-cha. So, forward. Okay, wow, ang shiny naman ng shoes mo. Parang si OCC, nakikita ko na yung panty ko. Ay, wala pala akong panty. Okay, so we're going to go forward, and then backward. Ayan, so that you will understand better, eyes on the feet, not on my breasts, not the feet. Okay, when I point the mic to you, you will say with all gusto, cha-cha-cha.
Cha-cha-cha.
Pero kailangan mas more force, cha-cha-cha.
Cha-cha-cha.
Very good. Music, please. Come on.
Cha-cha-cha.
I'm gonna do.
Cha-cha-cha.
Ano ka naman, darling?
Cha-cha-cha.
Hello, you take me cool.
Cha-cha-cha.
You hurt me.
Cha-cha-cha.
And you made me cry.
Cha-cha-cha.
I would surely die.
Cha-cha-cha.
Alright! Thank you very much, Mr. Jesus. Kanina sabi ni Paul, are you very popular with the people here? Ayan. Come in. Huwag ko mahiya. Nire-nervous ka naman. You know, ladies and gentlemen, I just had a show in West Germany. And, Mr. Perron was from Paris today, okay? And, well, I just had a show in West Germany, and I am telling you, this type of hairstyles are the in thing in Germany right now. It's called the Nicolas Cage look. Oh,
Thank you.
I'm not kidding. The women are, you know, the men, they shave their heads just to achieve the Nicolas Cage look. And it has something to do with the way they speak. You see, the German, Guten Abend is good evening. Damen und Herren is ladies and gentlemen. Ganun sila magsalita. Sprachen, ganun. Guten Abend, Damen und Herren. Ganun. For example, their car, they're virgins. Ano mga what are virgins in German? Never fucking. Non-virgins. Broken hymen. And when the girls see you, what will they shout? Ay! Fucking talent! Okay, tabi natin bumbunan. Okay, what we're going to do, Eddie, today is we're going to dance the rock. Okay? We're going to create, okay, what is your position in the EQ?
What do you like?
Dog style. What's your position in EQ? What do you like? Ano na yan? Anong position mo sa EQ?
Marketing.
Hindi naman pala, pwede ka naman kausapin na maayos. Okay, marketing. So we're going to turn a marketing man. Don't worry, Paul. Nagpunta ka ba sa Cebu? Sa show sa Cebu? Hindi. Wala ka sa Cebu. The last time? Long ago. So hindi ka, not recently. Okay, so you didn't see Paul there. So you're going to actually do what Paul did there, okay? We're going to turn you into a rocker. Okay? So ngayon, ang tayo mo ngayon ay tayong marketing man of Yeki. Rockers do not stand like that. Ang tayo, rockers stand in Tagalog, bisaklat. Do you know what bisaklat is?
No.
Okay, so for the benefit of our English-speaking VIPs, I will explain. Bisaklat in English is the end result of playing basketball without your supporters. In more scientific terms, having hernia on your left leg, okay? So, in more Tagalog terms, mas mabigat ba yung kalimang eglod mo? Ayan. That's how rockers are. Like, you know, they're really proud. So, yeah. So, you gotta show me. Mas mabigat. Yeah. Come on, you can stand that way na. Yan. For like 30 minutes. Not just kidding. Okay, ganyan. Okay. Next is The reason why you're standing like that is because of your guitar. So hold your guitar. Hold your guitar. Yeah. Okay, now strum your guitar. Strum. Okay, strum, strum. You're doing the finger. One finger for us women only, huh? 20 fingers for the guitar. Okay, and then strum, strum, strum. Okay, make sure you do it here. Do not do it here. You do it there. You do it in the bathroom, huh? You do it in the bathroom, okay? So you do it here like that. Very good, okay. And then, now, the rockers, they have so much angst. So you've got to give me angst. They're gonna, you know how rockers are? They shout and they scream. So give me angst. Kulang yan. Kailangan parang 3 araw ka nang nasa toilet, hindi mo makilabas-labas. Very good. Okay, and next is the headband. Okay? Parang naglalagyan ng kutut balakubang mo sa stage. In your case, kakaunting. Ano na sabi mo? Sabi ko, naglalagay kang sabi, I have no hair. Okay, so in your case, very little kutut balakubang na lang. Okay? And then, the most important for the rockers are the fans. So I need all of your help because he will not function here without you guys. So I need you to shout, Eddie, Eddie. Okay, Eddie lang, Eddie, Eddie. Okay? Ready? Fans, I need your help. Eddie, Eddie. Music, please. If you notice, the challenges get harder and harder. Okay? We start with Mario. Wow! Ayaw. Sige, tignan natin ito. Tignan natin yung mga nandito. Mukhang bumabawi na lahat. Laban o bawi?
Bawi.
Aba, wala nang lumalaban. Alam mo na, nalaban? Ayan, laban o bawi?
Bawi.
Malakas ang loob na nanghihina na unti-unti. So when I say, roll over Beethoven, then you have to roll over the whole stage. Can you do that? Can you do that? So laban talaga. Laban. You're sure? Even if I tell you to jump and kiss all the VIPs, you will do that?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Mr. Lorenzo, this is what you're supposed to do, but of course you chose Bawe. So now, he has to do all the hard work. What's your name again? Boy. Hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight. Squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze. Yeah. Show me that you love me too. Put your lips next to mine, dear.
the women's team. Second runner-up.
And Liberty Lopez.
Tatlo group. Runner-up sila. Yung kasama niya.
Let's go to the men's team.
Sabi ng dati ko sa mami ko, Han, patayin mo na yung ilaw. Kakainin ko na yan. Okay, palakpan ko natin our second placers. Actually, tatlo.
The golf tournament held this morning at the executive course of Bali Golf. For the first runner-up, Class B, with a gross of 93, handicap of 24, and we have Mr. Shigeki.
He's waiting to me. Sawali ka. Sawali ka, Mr. Tato. Sawali ka.
For the Class A winners,
Yeah, give me again the national. You're very rich already. Okay, I'm poor. No, I'm not. I was. No, everyone Thank you. Oh yeah, it has to be together.
and then
Hindi na ako baby ah.
once again, congratulations. Bigyan mo na.
Ay! Nagkaluwa! Kaya mayaman yun eh.
So once again, congratulations to all.
Certified. First winner, Salvador Camelo of North Star Electrical Supply, 3D iron for you. Lucy Ko of Watching Electrical Supply, Irene Uy of Dynamic Concept Marketing, Giovanni Cayetano of Sinclair Ninthurst, and Benny Bolaños of New Ideal Lumber. You are winners of a 3D flat iron. Mr. Clausan, I need you to get 3 electric fan, Claire Mancid of MC Home or Pidas, Emily Tan of Trust Glory, and Jerry Flores of Salcedo, Valera of Tuguegarao Kings. What? Galing pa itong Tuguegarao, ah. Okay, and Icon Trading, Jose Tutario. Okay, so I'm going to call up, tapos you just stay here behind and we will award your National Water Purifier. Felix B. of Mansion Marketing, Merlin Lau of SM Enterprises, Carlos Santos C. of Stan Light Marketing, Janet C. of Landhawk Hardware, Errol D. of Electro Art, Vicky C. of MCJC. Please go Rogelio Cardenio of DCCD Engineering Corporation. Alejandro Licerto and Mario S. Uy. From stage up, Nilda Uy of New Soler. Nakilala ko to si Nilda. Nandito ba siya? Ayan. A. Costa Enterprises. Christine Margaret Deus of MC Home Depot Fort Bonifacio. Ong Serio of Jameco. Dennis Juan. Willie Ong of Brightways Commercial. Christine Chua of Trust Glory. Lucina Miranda of Centro. Susan Dumangag of MC Home Depot. Rene Santiago of PCS Philippines. Pedro Uy of Carayong Units and Enterprises. Jamie J. Elisial. Graciano Golior of Hyperbol. Rowan De Mesa of Kaizen. Ramil Aburques. Jocelyn K. Josie So. And 20. Arigato. Todo es Santos. Todo es Pato. And you're big too. Ayan. Thank you. Sir, ang swerte mo, marami ka panalo. Oh, ngayon hindi ka na pala sa major quiz. Okay lang? Okay. Let's give away your prizes. 20 quarters of 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 Twinbirds. Ano po yung Twinbird? Air cleaner? Bagay sa aso. Oh, may asma. Paano may manalo mo? I have asthma. I wish another VIP wins. Efren Cruz. Johnson Lim. Benito Chua. Jose Ang. Nicanor Ang. Please fall in line. Ayan. Nicanor Ang. Marcelino Juan. Rivero Manaba. New Des Monte Lumber. Ang Yong Ang. Yan Ong. Mario Cruel. And Teresita Chua. Please come up and get your prizes. You have won for yourself an ACF giveaway. From Uniwell, Oakley shades for you. And Noel Franco, NBF Construction. Noel and okay. Thank you of Anna Legrand to give away 2 Oakley half wire and 2 Oakley wire tap. So let's give away for the 2 half wires. Okay. 2. There. Roberto Chua of King Ryan and Mon Mendoza of Hess. Andito ba? Roberto Chua of King Ryan. There's Roberto. Mon Mendoza. Oakley wire tap. Efren Gankaiko of Beta Electric. And Noel C of Switch Gear. Ayan, si Efren. How about Noel C? Noel C, is that you? Let us call in from Setsuyo Aztec, Mr. Hiroshi Hirai from Japan. Hiroshi Hirai-san, to give away 2 Panasonic washing machines. Washing this one. How big? Very big. Did you fly that from Japan? Okay, there. Hiroshi. Daniel R. Ano ba ito? Uy? Sino ba si Daniel? Daniel from Crown Century Trading. Oh, Crown Central. Si Daniel R. something. Yeah, okay. And Luis De Jesus. Oh, si Luis. Kinuha ko yung kanina. I got him during the entertainment a while ago. Ayan. So, pakikuha na lang po niyan. Tapos ilagay na sa bulsa ninyo. Okay, picture me. Congratulations.
Minutes na lang yan. Before na.
We got the medium, no? Just kidding. BMW is wrong number. Okay. Okay. Samsung refrigerator goes to
Elmore National.
Elmore National. Employees. Hill Mostoles, you are the winner!
Okay, the winner here is from Priority Trading.
Where is that Priority Trading? Ako yung kapatid sa Dan Parks. Okay, the winner from Best Achievers, Manuel Ong. Thank you, Nocha. Before you announce, I want you to say something. I want you to complete this sentence. Di well ay Dio. Okay, the winner
Engineer Boy
Gising na. Maiwan ka. Gising na. Ayun na dyan.
Pero paano nga ba ang mga paghahanda para mag-check ang seguridad at kaligtasan sa Extra Challenge? Kakayanin natin extra ingat. Emergency ngayong Biyernes pagkatapos ng saksi.
Sige na, maligo ka na, anak.
Alam mo, hindi ko dapat sabihin to sa'yo.
Adriel.
Pangarap na nais bigyang katuparan. Pag ganito ito, masasaluyan na. Profesor, na kailangan turuan ang leksyon. Ano bang itinatawag niyo?
ATC. Compound Center. Ay, mapili ko.
No?
Mapili.
Sabihin mo kay tatay kung saan pa.
Sabi ko naman.
Tumayo ka dyan. Tumawang bata.
Kain?
Ha?
Kain?
Wala nga maupo.
Yan.
Oo. Kala mo swimming pool pero hindi.